I'm going to take you guys on a journey. We're just going to go down to the creek before we head to work. Me and Diesel, get some nature time. Take off my shoes. Some earthing. Oh, this feels amazing. It's like 60 something degrees today, January 13th, 2026. Ah, Diesel! It's beautiful out. So I'm under the bridge in Cornville. And this is Oak Creek. Wow, it feels so good to have my feet on the ground. I feel like I haven't had my feet on the ground for weeks just because it's been so cold. Oh, there's a nest. Must have fell out from up there somewhere. So I've been busy working at a new job, a retreat in Sedona, which has been amazing. Wonderful company. And still been working for another company, transporting their clients back and forth to the airport. I moved the boutique to Old Town Cottonwood, and I'm there whenever I can be. And I'm realizing, like, God, I got a lot of stuff going on. And I haven't really taken time out to, like, figure out what direction I'm going. So today I was, like, getting inspired. And I was feeling like I was missing being up on the property in Williams. And I mean, I left because I honestly thought that I had to pay this $5,000 fee to live on my property, which turned out to be... Diesel, come here. Come on. Diesel, come. Oh, he don't listen to me. Come on, Diesel. Anyway, it turned out to be a bogus scam. So I can go back up there and live. But now, my work is an hour and a half away. So what I really, really, really am trying to manifest right now is a camper van. Trade in my truck and trailer for a camper van. That way, it's easier for me to find a place to sleep without having to go back and forth every night, So that's the goal. That's my main goal. And then my long-term goal, what I was thinking is I want to eventually have a retreat, and I've had this in mind for years, where people can come and basically step back in time, like feel as if they're back in the pioneer days before there was all these conveniences. Diesel, come on, buddy. Before all the conveniences and before even like electricity, I want the retreat to be completely off grid, and everything is done and made from scratch or from natural flame. And to teach people how to do it for themselves, how to be self-sufficient and prosper, and have events and classes and stuff, have people come in and teach. And I imagine people stay a couple days to a week, however they feel they can stay. But I want to teach people how they can, oh, there he is. Hi, Diesel. How they can live without all the conveniences of today. So that's my long-term goal. And, but yeah, my short-term goal is getting a camper van. So any support that you guys have would be much welcomed. I do also want to start doing like online teaching for the self-healing technique method that I created. And I call it soul retrieval. But a lot of people look at that word and they judge it. I don't know what is up with that, but I think I'm going to start rewording it to self-healing technique, and I want to travel and do it in person and teach people how to do this. But I think I need to start online and act as if, I'm already doing it online, and offer my sessions online or over the phone, of course, so that I don't have to be in one particular spot bound anywhere. I can travel, I can move around, because I'm such a nomad at heart. And the moment I start feeling tied down, I start getting anxious. So anyways, thank you for being here, and thank you for watching this video this far. More to come as far as my off-grid journey goes. Before I move back up there, I do want to put a concrete slab down to park the trailer on. So I'll probably be heading up there in the next couple of weeks to, start getting organized in that way. And I don't know, it's just so beautiful. It's hard to even think that it's still winter. Hey, no swimming. Come here. No, you stay out of the water. But this is great. This has been much needed, and I hope you guys get a chance to go outside, be in nature, and it really helps to clear your mind and prioritize what you need to do. I listened to something this morning that said cleaning helps to clear the mind. Just start cleaning your house and your yard. Just cleaning really helps. So I'm going to take some time out in the next couple of days to clean, to really deep clean, and not to do it in a hurry, and not to do it for any other reason except for you're focused on one thing. And a clean, happy house is a clean, happy mind. So okay, so I feel like I'm going to sit here in the quiet for a minute, and then off to work I go. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and please feel free to reach out for me if there's anything I can help you with. All right, bye for now.